All right, let's go. That's not too bad. Oh, wait a minute. Let's get some sub trim for ailerons. There we go. Wait. Okay. That's better. All right. Here we go. Take it off. Maiden flight. There's no prop guard, is there?
No.
All right, so I'll take off shallow if I can. Yeah, gear seems all right.
Cool.
All right. Hey, don't stand back there. Come up here. Come on, come on. All right. Wait a minute. Did I put? I didn't put Expo on elevator. Hold on. One thing I forgot was Expo on elevator. Yes, I did. Good thing I checked. Okay. Let's try that again. It tracked pretty good on that little run that I did.
Okay. I think this was a real good choice to have him try it first.
It seems all right. It's not gear's not bad.
You know, the guy got it from swore it flew great.
Okay. I don't doubt it. The gear seems fine though. It doesn't seem too.
He said it was a neat flying plane. He said you plug the lights into the balance thing and even is lit for night.
Oh wow.
That's what he said. So.
Okay. All right, guys, going up. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Okay, come on.
Yeah. Wow.
Looks pretty
You
good.
definitely know how to set one up and fly it.
Looks pretty good. Needs a little bit. The servos aren't totally centering, which I think we can probably fix if we have to. But
That thing looks great.
just a little out of trim, but we can fix that. There we go. Yeah, they're super docile.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's great. Tom, I think you did okay. I think it's the pilot, not the plane, is what I'm thinking.
Oh, I'm not really doing anything. The plane's fine itself. See, look at the radio right now.
Wow.
So, no, it's flying good. It needs
Well, I say, he said it was a great plane.
no,
but
it flies great. It needs a little bit of a mix on aileron to rudder, but we can do that. That's no big deal.
Runway's clear.
Okay. Yeah, it flies great.
Wow.
It's super docile. Super docile. It climbs a little bit on throttle, but you know, if you're not going to fly around full throttle, you don't worry about
No,
it.
I'm not going to fly full throttle.
This is half right now.
Looks really well balanced.
Yeah, it's just there's a little adverse yaw, so let me come in and fix that right now. We'll put a mix in there. That'll help so it won't rock around when you turn. Landing.
Okay.
Super docile plane.
That's how it's done.
Yeah, that's how it's done.
All right,
That was 99% pilot and 1% airplane is
hey,
what that was.
we're not done yet. We're going back up. I'm just going to put a mix in.
Oh, my Stinger maiden was a lot more exciting than that, though.
Oh, that's just great. That's just beginner's luck.
All righty then. Yeah. 20.
Yeah, that was amazing, man. That's wow.
It's not hard to fly. So
Okay, well, cool. I'm glad of that.
and once I get it all set up, you'll just plug it in and go. It's not that bad. All right, so I added a mix in there,
Okay.
so it'll.
I don't know where you're at battery-wise. Like I say, this is a 36 or 3700.
I was
That's
barely.
a prop, so I don't think
No,
you'd be.
I'm fine. I was barely above half. Barely. I was below half
Okay.
the whole time. So yeah. Yeah, this is great.
Well, cool.
No issues, no issues. The only thing I'm noticing is that that's way better. Yeah, see how now it just rolls where you want it?
Yeah.
Now there's no rocking.
Well, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Well, we accomplished two things. I wanted to fly one. I've never flown one. So I wanted to see how it flew. Flies great.
Well, cool.
Oh, okay, I'm coming in. Just because I think the battery might be getting tired.
It's the battery. I'm not sure is that
Okay.
great. So.
Coming in. So that approach was no throttle. It just came in. It's super easy to fly. What do you normally fly?
Apprentice T28, T51s.
Okay, a T28
Yep.
is very similar to this.
Okay.
Flies a lot like a T28.
Well, cool.
Yeah, so you'll be good. Right here, is that a Ducati? Sounds like a Ducati.
Sounds like a Ducati.
Yeah. All right, there you go. Yep, that's the dry.
Thank you so much.
The dry clutch sound. I know that sound. Yeah, you're good to go.
That is awesome. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so
No
much.
worries, no worries.
Wow, that was amazing.
And I'll figure out where to send the video.
There you go. Well, Todd is my brother that flies out here.